This time again, back again to another question, another logarithmic question. So find the value of x that satisfies the equation log into bracket x plus 5 will now be equal to log 4 minus log into bracket x plus 2, close the bracket. So what you need to know here, this log, the base has not been indicated, and therefore you can take it to the base of 10, or you can just work it the way it is and forget about now the base. But if you must use the base of again, you can take it to the base of 10. So we need to solve this one. So at solution, so if you must use the base now, you can take maybe the log to base of 10 of maybe this number, but now maybe number a, but now you can solve it without involving the base. So but if that is the case, now it will be log into bracket x plus 5 will now be equal to log 4 minus again log into bracket x plus 2. So we need to apply the law of logarithm law here. So it states that if you have a number a, log a minus the log b, it will give us the log a divided by b. That is the law. So we need to apply this law because here we have a subtraction sign. So here it will be the log of a minus the log of b will now be equal to the log into bracket a divided by b. So this side, the left hand side, will get log into bracket x plus 5 will now be equal to log we will have 4 divided by x plus 2. So this is how the law states now, that the moment you have a subtraction sign, what you do, take the number divided by another number, which is now b, the number to be, which is x plus 2. So if that's the case, now you can now see that log will now be equal to log. So that means the number here must be also be the number at this other end. So they are equal. So that means for us to solve this question, you must have to just drop the log. It will have no harm if you drop the log and equate x plus 5 will now be equal to 4 divided by x plus 2. So we need now to multiply, to do away with the denominator by multiplying, or just let me just write it another step down here, to be x plus 5 will now be equal to 4 into bracket over x plus 2. So multiply by x plus 2 both sides. Again, this other end, multiply again by x plus 2. So this one will cancel. So we need to multiply x plus 2 multiply by x plus 5. So we need to open the bracket. So write x plus 5 plus 2 into bracket x plus 5 will now be equal to 4. So if you open the bracket, this one will be x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 will now be equal to 4. This is quadratic equation. It's a quadratic equation. So we will be forced to bring this for this other side and then equate it to 0. So it will be x squared plus 7x. Now if you bring this one there, this other side will be plus 10 minus 4 will now be equal to 0. It's quadratic. So it will call x squared plus 7x plus 6 because this one is subtract, you get 6 is equals to 0. Yeah, is equals to 0. Now we need to solve this one. So we need to find the sum. The sum here is 7 and the product is 6. So a number, we need to find a number that if you add is equals to 7 and if you multiply is equals to 6. So here the number is 6 and 1. So if you multiply this number is equals to 6, and if you add the two numbers it gives you 7. That means those are the right number. So to substitute back to our equation, it will be 6 x squared, sorry, plus 6x plus x plus 6 is equals to 0. So factor out, perform factorization here. X into bracket x plus 6, then plus again 1 into bracket x plus 6, get it to 0. So x plus 1, x plus 1, then take x plus 6 is equals to 0. So from here you can now see x is equals to -1, or the same x is equals to -6. That's the end. So that's how you solve that quadratic equation. You can now perform it with the base, or you may decide to leave the base and work out the equation without the base. But if you must use the base, use it to the base of 10 always, and apply the logarithm laws. The moment you apply the law, you'll always get the right answer. So see you next time in the next video. Follow the channel in order to get more and more questions from mathematical question, that is. See you next time. Have a good day.